Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a video on how to clean up this logo. And I'm doing it for a subscriber or a viewer, and I've already made a video on how to run this, and I thought it still needs some cleaning up, like right in here. So I thought I'd show him how to do it, and then that way he can do it and learn a little bit and clean it up for what he wants to do. It's a pretty pixelized. I think I'm going to actually run this video in two parts because the star is really pixelized. So what I did, I took this logo and I ran it through clip art, and this is what the logo looks like. And you can see right here it's kind of fuzzy, really pixelized, really thin in this spot, and this spot. So you're going to see the problem when you trace it. And I traced it with, I just went to trace bitmap. I did it outline trace and used clip art, and it did real good. I'm real happy with the font. I'd already asked him for the font. Most fonts don't trace very well, but I've already broken this apart. So normally it's going to be all grouped together. You just hit ungroup and group it. So now we've got a distance of about 4 inches, 5 inches almost. So we're going to set our nudge factor on 5 inches. Now this is pretty neat and pretty cool. We've basically got 3 different colors. Well, 2, red, a light red, and a red. But we need that all to be one color. So I'm just going to go up with the arrow key one time. I'm going to have to zoom back in to get the other 2. And this is probably the most difficult way, or the easiest way to do this is on the most difficult part. So we've got all 3 of our colors up here, and there's a lot of node cleaning up, and if you clean this node up, it's going to be real hard to get it smooth and attached to that. So what I would do, and the way I did it, is just select this and go up and put a boundary around it. Now I'm going to change my nudge distance to 2 inches, and I'm going to lower this 2 inches. Then I'm going to color fill it in with black. I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline, so I'm going to right click, no fill. Now we moved it down 2, so now we need to move it down 3 to equal our 5. And let's put it back down there. And I'm not going to do the whole flag. Maybe he can go take it from here and do the exact same thing on all of it. But what I would do to clean this up is take my shape tool, and you couldn't do this before, you would lose nodes. But just kind of, you're going to change the logo a little bit, but if you can make it, and there's a double node right there, so we can get rid of that and get rid of that, and maybe get rid of that one. That might have been too much, but I'm going to let him decide. It's kind of the wave of the flag. So that's how you could do these 4 stripes very easily. Just, this is going to be the same thing up here. Let's get rid of this one. This time let's just set our nudge factor on 3 inches so they won't go out of the picture as far. Maybe we'll zoom in like this. We'll get our pick tool, and I'm going to grab that one and go up. I'm going to grab that and go up, put a boundary around it. Now I'm going to go up, and I've got my boundary. I'm going to fill it in with black and left click the mouse, and now I'm going to put it back. I've already done 2 stripes, and it's the same way. It's where these things were together, but it'd be so hard to do them when they're not like this. I grab the node and just delete that little node right there. That looks pretty good. So there's 2 of the lines. And I think what I'm going to do next is do the stars. So hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.